Hello, welcome back to Marta from Sparta. In today's video, we will be making holiday accessories. I am huge lover of holiday season and snow and hot chocolate, watching holiday movies, festive sweaters, sequins everywhere, bling bling sparkle, festive sequins skirts and pants. I am all about it. And in today's video, we will make few fun accessories for holiday season on the budget.
Hey, but before we're gonna go shopping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Every week I will share with you fun and creative ideas on a budget. So hit this button now so you won't miss my next video.
Holiday season is extremely heavy on everyone's pocket. Even tiny gifts, when we add them up, can turn into a huge expense. So I found few designers accessories which we will make for literally few bucks. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Some of those accessories are range from $50 and $100, or even one of the bows which I am extremely obsessed with is $195. I will show you how to make all of those things under 50 bucks. What we will need, we're definitely gonna need scissors and jewelry pliers, needle and thread. In the color depends from what you will be doing, in which color you will be doing. Pearls and rhinestones. Hat, you can use the hat which you already have, or you can buy a new one. Jean jacket, same, you can use the existing jacket which you already have in your closet, or you can buy a new one if you wish. Pair of socks, exactly same idea. You can either buy a new ones, or you can use pair of socks which you already have in your drawer. Rhinestone ribbon tassel chain, I bought mine on Amazon. And E6000 glue, which I cannot live without. So we will start with making jacket, and as you see on the video, the back of my jacket is already done. I just wanted to test it before I'm gonna recommend anything to you guys. So it worked perfectly with E6000 glue. It bonds amazing. I loved it. So definitely E6000 is good to go. So as you see on the video now, I'm gonna approach decorating the front of the jacket, which I planned originally, but again, I wanted to test the back before I'm gonna show it on the video. So I will cut my rhinestone tassel in a size I wanted for the shoulders, and I will attach them using E6000 glue. So this rhinestone tassel I purchased on Amazon for $13, and I will use it not only on the jacket but on socks and one of my velvet uh, bows as well. I started with the jacket because I knew that the glue has to dry, and that was my biggest project. So whatever I had a leftover from my rhinestone tassel chain, I used for other crafts which I was planning to make, which was socks and the velvet bow, and I still have tons of it left. So I think I will come up with more ideas for holidays to use leftover chain. As far as the sock project go, I used the leftover rhinestone chain from the jacket, and I still have a tons of it left for more projects if I want to. So as you see on the video, I basically decided myself how wide I wanted to be on the socks, and obviously it has to be on the outer sides of the socks. And once I line the chain on the socks, I noticed that it will be a little bit too long, and I don't want it to dangle like all the way to the ground. So I decided to trim it. I wanted to have uneven edges, but sky is the limit. You can trim it as much as you want to, or as little as you want to. It's your design. You can do whatever you want to. If it comes to the socks, I didn't glue it, or I didn't use the glue. I basically attached the chain by sewing that on. I think that because the stretchy part of the socks, the glue wouldn't hold it. So in this case, it's gonna require a little bit of sewing. It's not complicated. I just attached it in between rhinestones, and I was done in matter of 2 minutes. Since I had so much rhinestone chain left, I also decided to make a velvet bow. This is designer's bow, which I saw online. You will see inspiration image on the video. And instead of paying, I don't remember, between 45 or $93 for the bow, I decided to make it my own. And I have tons of chain left, so I could make a lot of bows if I would like to. I purchased that velvet bow also on Amazon. I believe the 12 colors cost me 13 or $16. I don't remember exactly at this point, but I got them really, really cheap on Amazon, and it was set of 12 in different colors. So I decided, since we're doing that for holiday season, to choose velvet green for my chain. As far as attaching the chain to the bow goes, I personally sew it on, since I had leftover thread. I'm sorry, but if you're not into it, you can easily use E6000 and glue it on your bow, and it will be ready and done overnight. I also recommend to sew together bottom part of the bow, so you do not have like the space in between bottom sides of the bow, so the chain is a little bit more visible. So I started with that, and I just literally um I put few stitches from the back of the bow to put them together, but you can also glue them together if you don't like sewing. Same with the chain. I decided to sew the chain on the bow, but you could easily glue the chain on the bow using E6000. And in order to make it look right, like on the inspiration image, you need to attach the chain to the bottom of the middle part. And the next bow was inspired by Anthropology bow, which was for, I believe, $193, which I think it's insane price for the hair accessory. But I really loved pale pink festive look. It's super easy project which doesn't require any sewing. I'm gonna be using E6000 glue to glue all parts on my bow. And you will see on the video, I'm trying to decide with the placement, with the colors and sizes, how much I wanted um, on my bow. So it took me a while to actually be happy with the design. I didn't want to copy exactly Anthropology bow. I like the idea and it was my inspiration, but I wanted to make my own and put my own twist on it. So as you see on the video, I'm gonna keep changing my mind, and finally when I am happy with my design, I will take a picture of it and I will glue everything on it. I didn't use not even 1 inch of the thread. It doesn't require sewing at all. And now let's make a hat. I think it's a fantastic holiday gift, as well as the green bow which we made. And if you're planning to make it as a gift, you can buy a hat on Amazon, TJ Maxx, wherever you guys shop, and decorate it and personalize it by yourself, like I did. I used a hat which I already had in my drawer, and I thought it will be perfect for this project. I am a rhinestone hoarder. So you're definitely gonna use and need rhinestones and pearls. And I also use leftover chain from the jacket to decorate that hat. And that hat was also inspired by anthropology hat. And I'm planning to make few of those, some of them as a gift for my family and friends. I want to save some money and give them something which is personalized and they're not gonna be able to find it um, anywhere. And as you know me, I take a big pride and pleasure of making my own accessories and clothes. So I was playing a little bit how I want my hat to look like and which rhinestones and size of the pearls I will be using for it. So this is entirely up to you how you will design the hat. Obviously, I was inspired by anthropology hat. I really like uh, how they combine pearls with rhinestones and with a chain. So my hat is very, very much inspired by the anthropology hat, but you can do whatever you want to. Um, I had to sew on every single rhinestone and every single pearl on my hat. And the reason for it is, again, this is kind of stretchy material which gonna be expanding by wearing it. So I didn't want any pearls or rhinestones to fall off the hat while I'm wearing it. So I spent extra time but sewing everything on my hat. And as you see on the video, I'm just playing with the placement and how much I want on my hat. And after that, I'm gonna take a picture and I will sew every element on the hat by hand. And voila, making all those four accessories took me potentially about an hour. And just because I think the longest process, it was not sewing on gluing, it was about designing it. Once I knew where do I want to place my rhinestones and beads and chain, it was super easy and fast. I think the majority of time in my case, it was deciding how I want to place it. And let's take a look at the jacket. So as you see on the video, I decided to wear the jacket with a holiday checkered pants and the headband. I think it's a super cute accessory. I really, really loved it. It doesn't limit at my moves because actually my jacket it's stretchy, but it didn't affect attaching the rhinestones to it. It didn't affect any movement on the jacket. And we are on to the hat. I really, really love this anthropology inspired hat. It came out amazing. Um, I think it's gonna be super fun accessory in my wardrobe. Here I am modeling that with you, with my Delilah. We call her Claudette. We call her Cotton Ball. We call her Marshmallow. She's super fluffy. And fun chicken. And next one will be my pale pink festive bow. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed. I love how it came out. It's very light. It was very inexpensive. I got everything on Amazon, and as I said, I own a lot of pale pink sweaters, but also I'm planning to wear it with uh, black jackets or denim jackets and add a little bit festive touch to my holiday wardrobe. And here we are. We have holiday socks. Super fun, easy project. It's literally 2 minutes project. You just cut the rhinestones and you can sew that on your sock. And that's it for today's video. I think it was super fun, super easy, on the budget accessories, which you can make literally in 1 hour, all of them, and save tons of money on holiday gifts and be proud that you made them yourself. And stay tuned for the part two of my holiday season DIYs. And I will see you next week.